Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to decorate a link. Now first of all, I'm going to create a link. To create a link, I go to body and then type a href reference and then equal. Here I type a link. Let's type google.com http http semicolon / google.com. Okay, now I close this one right here and then I put Google for that link and then I close that. Hey, okay, that's how we create a link. Now when I go and refresh this one, you can see the Google link here. When I click, okay, I should put colon right here, I guess. Okay, now refresh this one. Okay, refresh, click. Now it's going to google.com. okay, google.com. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style the link. Now in order to do the style, okay, let's type something as well. This is just a normal, this is just normal text. Okay, now I typed something. When I refresh, this is how it's appeared. This is just normal text. Now I want to style the link. To do the styling, I'm going below the style, and then I'm gonna put something. Let's say color a link color, let's put red and then semicolon and then let's run this one and see what happens. Now you can see nothing happening because we have to change a. Okay, let's put a text decoration as well. Text decoration I put it none. Okay, none mean it's gonna remove all the text decoration we already have. Now refresh, the below line is gone. Okay, now how to change the color? To change the color, we have to just put a visited. Like once you visited, the color is gonna change. Visited, I'm gonna put green like that. Okay, if it visited, it's gonna turn into green and semicolon. Since we visited that website already, click that already, it's gonna appear green when we refresh, you know. And what else we can do? We can change the background color into blue when we, okay, let's say I am reaching this, hovering this arrow near to the Google. When I reach there, it should turn into blue. Let's see how to do that. To do that, I put a hover background color, background dash color blue and semicolon. Now when I refresh this one and go close this, it turned into blue. Okay, and I want to put a white text color into white, because when you go near, the Google doesn't appear clearly. So I want to change the text color into white. I put color white right here. If I put in the next line, you can see it clearly. Semicolon, and then now I refresh this one and go close. You can see the Google turn into white. Then what else we can do? We can do underline also. Text dash decoration and then underline semicolon. Now when I refresh and go close, it's also underlined. The next thing we can do is we can change the font weight to bold. We can change the font to bold color. Font weight bold, and again it's becoming a bold. Before this is small thing without bold. When I go close, it's turning to bold. That's the thing. And another thing we can do is like when we click, we can also change the color. To do that, I put a active and then background color orange. Now what's gonna happen is when I click that link, it's gonna turn into orange. Okay, now let's see that thing. When I click, oh, maybe it's because I didn't close the curly bracket here. Okay, let me refresh again, and when I click, oh, again it's not happening. Okay, wait a minute. Font weight bold, that's okay. A active background color. Oh, this should be semicolon. I put colon, semicolon. Okay, now it should be fine. Again, something else mistake here. Background. Okay, this is not equal, it's dash. Okay, lot of mistake. Click. Now you can see it's turning into yellow. Now here you can see when I go close, it's going blue, and when I click, it's turning into yellow. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you guys later.